he hit down the ground the over before. Sri Lanka up for the fight.
Sri Lanka claim their ninth. England lead by 200.
Dragged it up. Changers wrangling one back, and Ali Pope, who's dragged it up. Good area for him in the first innings as well. Scramble save. Inside edge for taking extra gone. With the intent, just lost his shot. Yes, route. Wokes now just fencing one outside the off stump. There's movement to the
Maybe it's a little bit of movement away, as there has been for most of this day. Good bounce, fine edge, easily taken. Sri Lanka claim their ninth.